Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So we know Honda and Acura's had their fair share of recalls, but it seems like Toyota's kind of fared a little bit better with having fewer recalls and not as serious ones, at least recently. But a new recall just came out that's a little bit more concerning, a lot more serious, and definitely something to take note of since it can be catastrophic if you don't. So let me go ahead and share exactly what kind of recall just got released. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen the new Toyota Supra. Really nice performance car. I think it's a great looking car. But it actually just got hit with a pretty bad recall. And this recall affects certain models from 2021 through 2023 of the Supra. And it has to do with the engine starter. So the problem here is that the engine starter can experience unexpected internal wear that can cause the system to malfunction. And if this starter fails, of course, you can encounter a no start situation where it just won't start when you try to turn the car over. And then in some situations, it'll overheat when you're trying to start the car up, and it actually can start a fire while the car is running. And due to the seriousness of this, Toyota is actually telling drivers of these not to leave their vehicles unattended while running, especially when you use the remote start system. So until you're sure you don't have one of the affected ones, I would not remote start your car and just leave it running, because they're telling you that it could definitely cause a fire. And it's an easy fix. You take it to the dealer if you have an affected vehicle, and they just replace the starter with an improved version that they have. Of course, it's free of cost. And right now they're saying they're recalling 800 vehicles. So it doesn't sound like a bunch, but I looked at the numbers on it, and they sold just shy of 8,000 units between 2021 and 2023. So it's still a little over 10% of the vehicles sold are going to be affected. So that's a pretty decent number. So I would definitely take it serious. If you guys own a Supra from these years, know somebody with one, definitely reach out to them. They can contact their local Toyota dealer. They'll go, of course, check by the VIN and see if yours is one of the affected ones, and then replace the starter for you free of charge. And like I said, these kind of things I take serious because it does happen. And that's why, like I said, when a manufacturer tells you not to park the car like in your garage because it could start a fire, you have to kind of take that serious. So again, I just want to keep you guys on the loop. Like I said, not just with Hondas, but any vehicle here. I want to keep you guys informed of these safety recalls so you can get that taken care of right away. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.